I'll be cooking a chicken dish which is called stir-fried Oriental BBQ chicken fillet, inspired by the upcoming event in DHM group. As the admin of the group, I cannot join the event, but I can join in for fun and giving you guys ideas on what to cook and how to cook with the Angel brand convenience sauce. I have here 2 boneless chicken thigh, which I'm gonna cut into small pieces and make sure that every teeny tiny mini bones in the chicken fillet is taken out so that it is safe for the kids to eat. Yeah, sometimes they bite without actually thinking there's bones in it, so they might not be aware and might choke themselves. So I always make sure that there are no bones in my meat. So once we got it all cut up, and we are gonna marinate it with some sauce. I also have my peanut soup cooking in the thermopot right away, and if you need the recipe for the peanut soup, I left it in the description box below. So to marinate the chicken, I have just gonna add in a few dash of ginger powder, white pepper powder, and about a teaspoon of soy sauce. And then also a drizzle of a sesame oil. Then we're gonna mix this together and let it sit for like 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes before we're gonna coat it with some flour. For the flour mixture, I'll be using about 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, or you can call it cornstarch. Then give it mix it all together before you adding into the chicken to coat it well. I usually put about half before half, then mix the chicken thoroughly, then put another half, and using hand is much easier to mix everything. Just make sure that everything is well coated. And then we're gonna set this aside for about like again about like 5-10 minutes before we deep frying it. So today I'm doing a shallow pan fry. So heat up the oil while letting the chicken sit for about like 10 minutes. I have preheated the oil to medium-high heat, and then now I am going to add in the chicken fillet to deep fry it until golden brown. It takes about like 10 to 15 minutes. Other than chicken, other than chicken drumstick, you can use like chicken breast or pork, and also fish fillet. You're gonna marinate it the same style and then deep fry it first. And here I'm gonna speed up the process. I'm gonna fast forward this video until this is golden brown. Okay, as you can see, our chicken is fried until the beautiful golden color. So now we are gonna dish it up, put it onto a kitchen towel to drain off the excess oil, and we are gonna start on the sauce. To make the sauce, I'll be using this Oriental BBQ sauce. It's a convenient sauce that you do not need to add in any other seasoning. In my pan, I have drizzled a little bit of oil, and I am going to add in some garlic and I'm gonna add in some onion and garlic. Then other than that, you can actually add in like zucchini, capsicum, tomato, something like you'll be making sweet and sour pork, or the what you call that, kung po kai ting, that type of dishes. But for me, it's just onion and garlic, because I don't have any other vegetables in my fridge. And once you smell the aroma of the onion and garlic, then we're gonna add in about a tablespoon of the sauce. and then a quarter cup of water. Bring this to boil and then let it simmer till the sauce thickens up. Now that the sauce has thickens up, we are going to add in the chicken fillet that we deep fried just now, and just stir and coat it well so that every bits of it are coated with the sauce. And then we are gonna dish it up, and I garnish it with a little bit of sesame seed, toasted sesame seed. And here you have it, stir-fry Oriental BBQ sauce chicken fillet. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.